Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial number 17 on HTML, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about setting up of background images. As we have already studied the CSS in previous two tutorials, we can similarly add the background using CSS via inline CSS edition, also internal CSS and external CSS. I'm going to teach inline and internal CSS edition of background. The external CSS edition, the code of external CSS edition and the internal CSS edition is very similar, so I will not teaching that. So let me show you how to set up a background of HTML page via using CSS. I have saved 3 background images in background folder on the desktop. Okay, so let me write down the code. So within the body element, as all the visual part comes under the body element, so the background should be given to the body element only. Okay, so for that we will write attribute, that is background attribute. Okay, and within the start tag of body element we have wrote the background attribute equals to, within inverted comma we have to write the file path of that background, as I have saved them within a folder called background. So we'll write background, the folder name, then / and the image name. Name of the images are bg1, bg2, bg3. I will show you all of the 3 background. Okay, bg1 and all are jpg, so .jpg. okay, let's save it and refresh. So as you can see that the background is working perfectly. Okay, let's change it to bg2. Successfully changed. bg3 successfully changed. Okay, so that is how we can add a background to our website while using inline edition of background. Okay, we can similarly add, let's remove it from body. Okay, it's cleared now, and as I have already taught you in the 15th tutorial that there is another way of styling, that is the internal CSS edition. So in the internal CSS edition, what we did, we have wrote a style element within the head element. So like this, I have wrote the style element within the head element, and within the head element we will target the body. Okay, in the 15th tutorial we have given the class to element, but body is a single element on a page and we don't create any other body element, so we can target it directly by writing body and then curly braces, and if I write any code within this, it will target the body element only. Okay, so why we are targeting body? Because it contains all the visible part and we have to set the background for the body only. Okay, so within the body we have to write background. Remember this, the code we have used in inline and the code I am going to use in internal is different. So background dash image colon URL then bracket, and then single commas, and close this. And within this we have to write the location or file path, that is background / bg1.jpg. okay, so let's save it and refresh. So as you can see that it successfully is changed. Let's shift it to second one and the third one. That's it. So as you can see that I have successfully changed the background using two methods. First one is inline addition of background into the body element directly, and second one is targeting the body element via using CSS internal addition. So that is how we can do the change on background. And if I am generally we used to put use the external CSS addition method, and there we can also target the body part, okay, and write the similar code into the external CSS. But the difference between internal and external is we don't have to write this code, and instead of this we will link that CSS page by using link rel equals to inverted commas style sheet, then href equals, within inverted comma we have to write the page style.css. okay, so that is how we can do in the external CSS edition. So that is it with the tutorial number 17, and if you like my videos please share it with others, and please subscribe. Thank you guys.